I mean, is it crap or is it treasure? So every crap bag is completely different. You might get an item that has a spot or a blemish to it. You might get an item that isn't lined up correctly or the stitching isn't perfectly in a row. I'm Matt Kessler and I'm a wilderness adventure guide. I lead groups of men on remote trips into the beauty and solitude of epic places. Check out one of my 3 adventure trips and download my best high quality outdoor gear and clothing recommendation guide. Links are below. Leather cordage, looks like it could be to tie a bracelet or a necklace. Ooh, a cash belt with an indication that it has a spot on it. I wear my shirts untucked. Who's gonna see that? What? A second cash belt. This one says it has issues with the stitches. Ooh, some reflective material. This would be great for a DIY project. Oh, the Wazoo fire card. Sweet. You can carry them in your wallet or in your EDC bag. Just shave off the sides, hit it with a ferro rod or a lighter, and it'll give you tinder to help you start your fire, especially when it's raining. Oh, look at this, y'all. 2 knife sharpening stones. That is awesome. Couple of small carabiners. A whistle. 3 of these, I'm not even sure what they are. And the crap bag sticker. So you might get some extra cordage or a miscut foraging bandana. I think the big question is it worth it? You're getting seconds, but it's still extremely high quality Wazoo gear. And honestly, I don't really notice or see the blemishes. I don't see any blemishes on these stones. These stones are perfectly great. There are no blemishes on the stone. Wazoo, why are these seconds? These are perfectly good. These haven't been opened or used at all. This is brand new. These are brand new. These are brand new. This is brand new. Wazoo promises that each crap bag has at least double the value of what you would otherwise pay. Wazoo gets rid of their seconds and cleans out their closets. We get to buy the surprise and get value in the seconds with blemishes, spots, some kind of slight misalignment. That's still very usable, very practical, and we get to pay like half the cost of what we would buy it new. Well, is it crap or is it treasure? If you're a survivalist, a prepper, a bushcraft enthusiast, a backpacker, or a DIY tinker, this is a gold mine. It's practical, it's usable. This is excellent gear that Wazoo has given in their crap bag. This is not crap at all. The crap bag may be unpredictable, but one thing is for sure. One man's crap is another man's treasure. Have you ever taken the risk to buy a Wazoo crap bag? Let me know in the comments below. Check out these videos next and sign up for one of my unforgettable guided adventure trips. And remember, don't just buy great outdoor gear, get out there and use it.